Oh, you just missed it. You were going to spray me. Are you still? It was a good shot, the opening shot, yeah. All right, so
we're putting on the fan and fixing it. Fit a grill shell and
chrome pan, which is what we want.
Yep.
Randy mentioned that right away. Hey, my chrome. So your fan is chrome.
It does look better than
that one's going to go on Herschel's. We're going to take that up there for an engine.
Yeah, that'll work.
Starting stand. So got the radiator, putting that on.
Yep.
Looks like the interior is pretty close here.
Yeah,
we'll need a door handle.
Yeah.
Looking clean.
I got the firewall covered.
Firewall covered.
Oh, you probably can't see it.
Probably take a little black paint on the very top of that. Take a little black paint on the very top of it. You should look under there.
What's that?
On the firewall.
Oh yeah. You can look way up under there.
Looking good. Got your gas cap.
Yeah.
Got your cup holders.
Yeah, that
need a door handle back here.
That turned out pretty good.
It did. Turned out excellent.
Yeah, that'll work.
Got all the lights in. They're all working. Got a knob on this one.
Yep.
Shuts good. Listen to that, man. That sounds like an old Lincoln there, don't it?
Click.
Yeah.
Yeah. Double click. Yeah, a little stiff it up, clean it up. Yeah.
Clean up some of the ookum gookum.
Yeah, for shipping, I went in and taped this down so it wouldn't be rattling around.
Oh yeah. So we're down to put the
radiator on it.
Put the radiator on, and then
the spring perch cover.
High excitement. I'm gonna have to see if that sedan with the back seat in it has a name. So.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Get that in here. We'll talk about that one.
I've got the material right there.
All right, so I got like almost a full day in the glass shop, so I'm gonna head up there. Yep.
Oh joy.
Hey, no, exciting.
Okay.
It's happening. Blocking. If this wasn't a plug, and it wasn't going to be a sedan delivery, this puppy'd be painted.
Well, I don't know. It's about the same process. You really got it. It's got to be nice either way.
Well, no, it is the same process. So that's what I'm saying. This thing could be painted and
absolutely, yeah.
and be a finished car.
Sure. Same process, yeah.
But
actually, you want to. Well, either way, you want it perfect.
You want it, yeah. You were going to say you want it better for a plug. No, you don't. You want it the same. You want it the same either way.
Yeah.
So. Lots and lots of blocking.
A lot of lines.
Kind of hard to tell the way it's looking, how good it really is looking from where this was.
Josh came in yesterday and said, wow, that's looking good.
Did he? It is looking good.
Everybody knows, well, they remember what it looked like sitting back here.
For years. For years.
So it's coming to life.
Coming to life.
Yes.
Jenny's taking shape.
Probably should maybe close being done today.
That would be awesome. Gibby texted me this morning.
Good.
He's stuffed up.
He's stuffed up?
He's stuffed up. He's stuffed up.
He ate too many acorns?
And too many acorns for Gibby. Well, too much candy.
And so...
Ennis, thanks a lot.
I hate the
You done sugared him out past his max.
I had my mouth full like a chipmunk all day.
Yep. So, exactly. So did he. Both cheeks were full.
Yes.
All right, well, this is looking good. I'm gonna leave you alone, and then when this is done, let's put some plastic over it and.
Well, it's gonna come out of here for sure.
Well, it's gonna have to stay here for just a little bit.
Well, yeah, we'll put it right over here or something. Put a bag on it.
Yeah, put a bag on it. Over here being this building, but put a bag on it and wrap it up so that it's a lot of work to have it sit around and get overspray or anything on it. So.
I do got a little spot here. It's gonna be okay. Put a little mud on that. Or should I hit it with a little feather fill after I do a little bit of mud work?
That will work. All right.
Is that what I should do? Or would just the mud work be fine?
Be fine. Well, no, you better hit it with something.
I'll put a little feather fill over
Yep.
Right.
All right, well, I'm going to let you after it, and I'm going to go.
Sounds good.
Snapper gets off early from school today. I'm going to go check him out up there in the glass shop.
Still some donuts, bananas.
Ooh, donuts and bananas.
And chocolate.
Let me think. Chocolate. Oh. We'll start with the chocolate, move to the donuts, and then think about the bananas. How's that sound?
There you go.
Actually, I have a banana already. My wife gives me one every morning.
You said that.
Pretty chrome. So you gotta make, did you have to make them bend them, or did they
I had to make them,
make and bend?
yeah,
Make and bend, bolt them on.
make them bend, and I think it's gonna finally work.
Gonna drill them,
Yeah, drill them.
put some button heads in there probably.
Heads, yeah,
And then on that side, we'll put the overflow tank.
yeah.
So we got the overflow tank here, and that'll go alongside.
Yeah,
And I guess you got that pretty even where it goes, looks like. So that'll drill through there and bolt on.
maybe.
Maybe.
The way everything else can fight me, probably not.
Oh.
I got it.
So then tomorrow we put Dave on this thing to hit it with the buffer one more time and clean it up and
Clean it up, yeah.
get it ready to go home.
I have that thing on.
Yeah. Put all the other parts ready to go. We had to leave the brakes off because it don't fit these wheels, but
Yeah.
we'll bring the wheels and tires
I
back.
brought them old wheels from home. They're 14s. They're just rollers.
So Orange Blossom is about to go south.
Yeah.
Go south for the winter. All right, so getting her all lined up. Lines are good. Looks like you're blocking.
I think I got it.
Blocking.
Now. I got the front panel to do. And then I'll go to 600 hand sanding. And we'll have her done.
Have her done, wipe it down. So tomorrow,
Well, now I'm going to fix a couple spots. I got some pinholes here I don't like, and I got the little spot over there, so I'll touch those up tonight. Tomorrow we can knock them down, and it'll be good to go.
all right, tomorrow, Orange Blossom.
What
Do
are
you
we
want
doing?
to just make it beautiful? Hit it with some glaze, and it shouldn't need compound, but just kind of that one last time it's going home.
Orange Blossom is the one in Eddie's office.
He's done, he's finished.
And that's all we're doing?
He's like that
And
close.
that's all we're doing?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
yeah, so it's going home. He's putting motor and all that in.
Oh, okay.
So he's putting the grill show on now,
Cool.
and the interior's in. So tomorrow, if you just hit the whole thing and kind of wipe it down, and then
Yeah,
we'll
we'll go
bag
in
it
there
up,
now.
and
We'll
I
go in
will
there
go
now,
work
look
on
at it.
getting scheduling.
We'll go in there and look at it right now.
Oh, very good. Man, so we got the father-daughter team going on here. Look at this. Pretty high excitement. So is it coming back? Is it all coming back to you?
Oh yeah, she's coming back now. Like riding a bicycle.
All right, like riding a bicycle. So this is the insert. We got some other parts, so we're kind of excited here. I'm kind of excited. Getting new rollers, getting all the parts ready to go. So this will be good. Hey Nathan, you're actually a department head now
I'm a department head, yes.
with extra people. Look at that.
It's that fast.
Whoa, you're progressing.
I'm getting bigger.
You're like not the snapper anymore. You're the quarterback.
Quarterback.
You're still the snapper though.
I'm quarterback.
Still the snapper. You're gonna stay the snapper.
I'm saying it's not.
Matter of fact, Snapper needs to do a TikTok today. We actually got a script for him. I do a couple lines, like 2 words in a line, and I can't remember that.
funny.
I can write it.
It's funny how much worse we get when we have a script.
Oh, I know. I can wing it from nothing and just doing. But if I think it and I write it down on a script, and I only had 2 words the last one we did, on a couple of lines, and I couldn't even remember it. That's horrible. But anyway, trimming. Big deal. If you trim it when it's ready to trim, it saves a ton of time than having to cut it with the saw. So we're getting there. This is about got all the parts knocked out, huh? Yeah. You about got all the parts. This is all the parts we got, right?
That's it.
Man, you're going home early. We're gonna have to make you a bigger pile for tomorrow. No, so you're gonna work on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays.
Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.
So you got that worked out. Herschel's lunch is Tuesday and Thursday.
Oh, yeah.
So all you're gonna miss out is on a Wednesday.
Oh, nice.
So, all right.
Yeah, you can't beat that. Just do right too. You got it.
Trimming. Perfect timing. I'm back.
He's back.
Back. The world is crashing.
The world is crashing.
Oh, silver's down, crypto's gone, everything's down. You know what?
What?
Since it's all down, I bought some more.
There we go.
Yeah. So you're gonna be a what is it? Not TikTok. Yeah, TikTok.
I'm a TikTok guy.
TikTok. But I can't even upload TikTok because I forgot the
His Apple
code
ID.
on my app on my phone. So now I don't know if I gotta go to the store to find out what it is. So I'm in all this digital and blockchain stuff
Yep.
and don't even know how to do it. I did write you a script. So this is very short. I tried to make mine parts, like 1 or 2 words only
Okay.
to try to remember. Can you remember that? So we're going to do a TikTok. Okay, you ready? I'll turn the camera the other way and we'll show everybody us doing our TikTok.
Okay.
Unedited. I may have to edit this, so
We're gonna need to edit
get it ready
this.
for TikTok. All right. All right, Snapper. So I told you I wrote a sci-fi book, but did you know it connects to an actual game?
Wait, like a video game?
Like a video game. Yeah, but it's not just playing. People build businesses in it.
Like in the game?
In the game. Ships, mining, crafting, fuel, trading, like a real economy.
So you're telling me people make money in space?
Well, digital space. But, hey, we make cars from nothing. Tell me that's possible.
That's either genius or crazy.
Well, history usually calls it crazy first. My wife called me crazy when I said, I think I'm just going to start building cars.
And then I need your help real quick.
Hey,
Yeah.
you need my help?
I do need your help.
So we're like just ad-libbing now.
Huh?
We did it. We did it.
We did do the script, yeah.
In the comments.
Tell us how
I'll
bad.
edit it together.
Well, actually, the first time we did a script,
Yeah.
it took like 5 tries on the first.
That's true.
On the
To
first 2 lines. We're like, cut.
No, that ain't gonna work. Okay, so we're getting good. So we're gonna put this together. Gibby's sick today. Kind of a
Yeah,
bummer.
he's been sick 2 days.
Chris and his daughter did great today. I can't remember her name. What's her name?
I can't remember.
That's
either.
horrible. She's probably gonna watch this video.
Yeah, we're gonna be
So
over
we
here.
come in
talking-
Monday. We apologize.
She did-
On Tuesday.
you did
She'll be here
great.
Tuesday. You did great.
Yeah, there.
They both did great. So I mean, we're gonna tighten things up and awesome.
Yeah, we'll see them Tuesday.
And then hopefully we see Gibby tomorrow.
Hopefully.
Orange Blossom is like getting
So
cleaned
close.
up. It's so close.
Dave was finishing up on some
finished
stuff.
up, clean it up. He's gonna polish
He's
it
gonna
tomorrow.
polish and yep.
Get all the invoicing all done on that. And Josh is trying to get a truck to take it home Monday. Yeah.
It's awesome.
And we got a 27. We got to get some of these to get going. And
Yeah.
so since Gibby ain't here to say goodnight, Gibby, you got a farewell. No, don't be pulling your ear like you don't even know who Carol Burnett is probably.
I don't know who that is now.
The old crowd that watches this all know who Carol Burnett is.
Who is it?
Somebody who pulled ear at the end of the show.
Pulled ear at the end of the show.
Yeah, that would be Dave. He was trying to pull a Carol Burnett. And say goodnight, Gibby. I don't know where that comes from.
Good night, Gibby.
No, we're not saying that. That comes from somewhere. Somebody put in the comments, say goodnight. Oh, Rowan and Martin. I think the laugh-in, that was it. So,
Well, I
Rowan,
always
how are
just
you
thought
doing,
because
Rowan?
Gibby-
So, Rowan is anxiously awaiting to get his car done. Grandpa, Canadian Keith, is now the snowbird in Florida.
Yeah.
We need to get them up there and working on that some more.
Yeah, well, I always just thought it came from Gibby sleeping on the couch whenever we go in there sometimes.
This is true.
I always just
Watching videos of himself on the couch
yeah,
in
he'll
the
be on
office.
couch, and all of a sudden you come in there and the video's playing.
Yeah, and there's Gibby sleeping on the couch under a U-Haul blanket.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be that.
The itchy wall blanket.
Oh, they're pretty nice.
I don't know.
Okay, so till tomorrow.
Till tomorrow.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Like, subscribe.
Subscribe. What's the other one?
Comment, share.
Share, comment.
Be on tune for the TikTok.
Yeah. Oh, TikTok.
Yeah.